This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about candy bags, specifically these Bag Tech clear plastic bags. These are a great candy size. I would call them gumball bags. They're 8 inches long by 1 inch across, and they're made from a great, really crystal clear, you can see it's got a nice shine on it, plastic, and they have a lip and tape style seal. So it's really easy just to slide your candy and your treats down in there and peel off that seal and fold the top over in place just to seal those bags. So they make for a nice, easy, kind of self-inclusive way to pack up candy and treats. These are fantastic for things like gumballs, various hard candies, pretzel rods, licorice twists, and the crystal clear finish is really going to show off your colorful candies and treats, making them a great way to help sell those items easily. They're easy and quick to pack up and seal, which makes them a fantastic option for small retail shops that are looking to package items themselves. They've got that great crystal clear finish, and it's easy enough to put a sticker or an ingredient label on the front or back if needed. They're great to use as well for parties if you're looking to pack up some fun treats at home and you want something to go along a place setting or in a little take-home bag. So these are a great option for candy shops, confectioners, bakeries, any place where you want to pack up some small little favors or candies. And if you're doing anything like events where you're planning a shower for a friend or a birthday party or a wedding, they're going to be great either if you're someone just planning by yourself or if you're a pro looking to add some polished, finished touches to the next event that you're throwing.